The color red has always been part of Mazda's soul. From our very first car, it's been a crucial part of our history. And as our design has evolved and matured, as technology has moved forward, so too has the color red. We believe color is one of the key elements of form, and our latest Soul Red crystal has been created to enhance the beauty of our cars. We wanted to create the world's most beautiful red. Kodo, Mazda's design language, sets out to realize the beauty of form, full of strength and vitality, a living creature. It is inspired by traditional Japanese crafts and Japanese aesthetics. Our designs are sculpted by craftsmen because we believe that an object which has been crafted by human hand is embodied with the warmth and spirit of its creator. We view cars as art, and we hope our customers are moved by their Mazdas before they even start their engines. Like any beautiful object, the way light plays over its surface is part of that very beauty. The interplay of light and form inspired us to create a paint with exceptional depth and reflective quality. To realize this was a challenging process and required us to reinvent the way we paint our cars. In the past, to get this kind of vivid finish, the only way was to paint by hand, as we do with our concept cars. We developed not just a highly reflective paint, but a new method that effectively turns our robots into craftsmen. We call this Takuminori. Soul Red crystal makes the car appear alive as light reflects over its contours. The tone ebbing and flowing between a vivid ruby red and dark crimson as the paint interacts with the environment. The finished result is a deep, lustrous color that comes to life on the road. The soul of Mazda.